In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an HTML file to your Wix website. This is a great skill to have if you want to integrate custom HTML elements into your existing Wix site. It's fairly straightforward, so let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account and navigate to the Wix website editor. This is your main hub for making changes and customizing your website. Once you're there, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a menu, and among the options listed, you'll see one labeled Add Elements. Go ahead and click on this option. This will allow you to add new features and components to your site. With the Add Elements menu open, we're going to focus on embedding custom code. To do this, look for the Embed Code option, which should be prominently displayed. Clicking on this will present you with several options, but for our purposes today, we need to select Embed HTML. This step is crucial as it enables you to insert your custom HTML code directly into your Wix website. After clicking on Embed HTML, a new window will pop up providing you with a couple of different ways to proceed. Here, you'll select between embedding a website address or directly typing in HTML code. Depending on what your project requires, you can choose either of these options. If you've got an external website that you'd like to show on your site, go ahead and enter the URL. Alternatively, you can paste or type the HTML code directly into the provided field. Once you've added your HTML code or website address, you'll want to make sure everything is working as expected. To do this, simply click on the Apply button located at the bottom of the window. This action embeds your HTML code onto the Wix site. You can now view and adjust this element directly within the Wix editor to ensure it meets your design needs. These steps provide a flexible way to integrate custom HTML features or external content into your Wix site. Remember that while this process is simple once you get the hang of it, always double-check your HTML code for any errors that might affect your website's performance. Make sure the design and layout look and function as intended before you publish your changes. That wraps up today's tutorial on uploading an HTML file to your Wix website. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!